Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Digulwani with Banking, Insurance and Financial Services. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is approaches to lending. Now, banks extend credit to different categories of borrowers for different purposes. For most of these borrowers, bank credit is the primary and cheapest source of debt financing. That is, जिस किसी को भी पैसा लेना है, those who need money in the form of loan, तो they are known as borrowers. And for the borrowers, bank credit, that is बैंक से लोन लेना, is the primary and cheapest source of debt financing. सबसे सस्ता और फर्स्ट ये पॉइंट है जहाँ से वो लोग जल्दी से फाइनेंस ले सकते हैं. Both the demand and supply side of the economy needs bank credit. Then let us understand firstly what is demand side and what is the supply side for the money. So here it is written over here, demand side, that is consumers of goods and services constitute the demand side of the economy, and they require bank credit to enable them to acquire assets such as consumer durables, housing or for plain consumption. That means demand side कौन आता है? जिन लोगों को होम लोन चाहिए, या तो उनको अपने गुड्स खरीदने के लिए या तो कोई भी चीज़ खरीदने के लिए लोन चाहिए, they are on the demand side of the economy. And on the supply side, corporate government sectors engaged in manufacturing, trading and services are there. Why they need money? This sector actually requires bank credit for capital investment in long-term projects and for day-to-day operation. उनको you can say that they require money to purchase land, building, or if they want to do their daily routine work. So for this purpose, this people require money. So you can say that in more common terms, financing the demand side of the economy, the large class of consumer is called retail banking. मतलब जिन लोगों को डिमांड साइड, दैट इज़ जो कंज्यूमर को गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज के पैसा गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज के लिए पैसा चाहिए, दे आर एक्चुअली द कस्टमर ऑफ बैंक हु आर टर्म्ड एज रिटेल बैंकिंग. और जो सप्लाई साइड के लोग हैं उन लोगों की बैंकिंग जानी जाती है एज होलसेल बैंकिंग और कॉरपोरेट बैंकिंग और क्लास बैंकिंग. दैट इज़ टू साइड्स आर देयर to lend the money. Demand side is there, that is different kinds of customers are there actually. So consumer of the goods and services are there who are on the demand side of the bank, and on the supply side the corporate and government sectors are there who require money for the different purpose. In demand side, consumers require money for their housing, for plain consumption, or you can say that for their retail banking. While if we talk about the supply side, then on supply side, corporate and government requires money for the longer term projects as well as for the day-to-day operation, and their banking is known as wholesale banking, corporate banking or the class banking. So this is what approach of lending, that is different kinds of loans which are given by the bank. So two sides loan are given by the bank, demand side as well as to the supply side. Now next topic in this is steps in lending. Now steps in lending, that is when bank is giving the money to the different people, then what are the steps in that lending to provide loan to the customer who need money? What are the steps in that particular lending of the money? So under that, point number 1 is loan request from the customer. In the process of lending of credit, it is the normal practice that a request should be put forward by an applicant who is a customer of the bank for a credit facility for the operation of a business entity, or you can say that for a prospectus, a certain project which is expected to be सेल्फ लिक्विडेटिंग. दैट मीन्स जिस किसी को भी यहाँ पे लोन चाहिए उसको पहले वहाँ पे एक एप्लीकेशन देना है, दैट इज़ दे रिक्वायर मनी फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पर्पस. एंड directly by putting application, they will not be getting the money. The bank officials normally take into consideration certain factors before initiating the move in, drawing the attention of some customer that they are entitled and qualified for credit facilities. बैंक ऑफिशियल्स जो होते हैं जब भी कस्टमर लोन के लिए वहाँ पे अप्लाई करता है, देन दे आर लुकिंग फॉर सर्टेन फैक्टर्स. तो सी विच आर दिस फैक्टर्स which bank officials are considering before providing the loan. तो you can say that performance of such customers in operation, कौन से टाइप के वो ट्रांजेक्शन्स करते हैं, द साइज ऑफ देयर बिजनेस अंडरटेकिंग, देन द नेचर ऑफ देयर बिजनेस ऑपरेशन, देयर मार्केट शेयर इन द इंडस्ट्री, द पर्सनल इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द कस्टमर्स, लेवल ऑफ लिक्विडिटी ऑफ द बैंक, business focus of the bank, type of banking operation. So you can say that when a customer put application for the loan, then directly bank officials do not provide money to the customer, but they do consider firstly these points and then they go for the next step. Then what is the next step? Interview with the loan officer. As a customer has putted loan application, then schedule interview of personal interaction between the loan officer and the applicant for loan facility is considered necessary in lending procedure. आपने वहाँ पे अगर लोन के लिए अप्लाई किया है तो आपका पहले वहाँ पे ऑफिसर के साथ, लोन ऑफिसर के साथ इंटरव्यू होता है फॉर द नेसेसरी प्रोसीजर ऑफ लोन. फिर आगे जाके वो लोग आपका पूरा साइट चेक करते हैं, फिर आपका इवेल्यूएशन होता है, फिर जाके लोन मिलता है. देन which points are considered when loan interview is taken by the loan officer. तो loan officer actually accesses the customer character and the sincerity of purpose. mainly उसका character check करते हैं, sincerity मतलब कौन से मतलब के लिए वो लोन ले रहे हैं वो चेक करते हैं. then planned utilization of the funds, whatever loan you are going to take from the bank उसका पूरा प्लानिंग आपके पास होना चाहिए. so plan utilization of the funds. then actual amount of funds sufficient for the project involved. आपने जितना लोन का अमाउंट रखा है उतना ही आप यूटिलाइज करने वाले हो कि उससे ज़्यादा करने वाले हो कि कम. तो दैट एक्चुअल अमाउंट ऑफ फंड सफिशिएंट फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट इन्वॉल्व इज़ टू बी इवेल्युएटेड एज वेल एज applicant's business utilization of the fund is also checked. nature of applicant's business operation, means of ensuring prompt repayment of the loan, these all things are actually considered while there is an interview with the loan officer. तो जब भी आपका इंटरव्यू होता है ये सारी चीज़ें वो कंसिडर करते हैं बिफोर प्रोवाइडिंग द लोन. आफ्टर हैविंग द इंटरव्यू, द थर्ड पॉइंट इज़ साइट विजिट्स बाय द बैंक ऑफिशियल्स. दैट मीन्स आपने वहाँ पे लोन रिक्वेस्ट रखी, लोन के बाद आपका इंटरव्यू होता है विद द लोन ऑफिसर, देन दे विजिट द साइट. It is actually desirable that bank officials, not only the loan officer, pay scheduled visit to the business premises of the loan applicant. The visit of a team of bank officers of the customer's business is actually imperative because the applicant for the loan facility may not supply the necessary information upon which a decision will be taken. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि पूरी की पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रॉपरली प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है कस्टमर, तो उसके लिए जो ऑफिशियल्स होते हैं दे आर विजिटिंग द साइट, मेन साइट of your work office or the main site which you want to purchase, etc. then you can say that the visit to the customer business becomes main because of, you can say that if a business loan or mortgage loan is applied, when a mortgage loan is involved, to verify the claim of the customers, to assess personally the nature of customer business, to determine the actual scale of the customer's operation, मतलब एक्चुअलिटी उसकी चेक करते हैं. इन शॉर्ट हमारे वर्ड्स में अगर समझा जाए तो आप जो आपका बिजनेस बता रहे हो वही आपका बिजनेस है कि नहीं, वही ज़मीन शायद आप खरीदने वाले हो कि नहीं, वही घर खरीदने वाले हो कि नहीं, जो भी सिक्योरिटी आप देने वाले हो वो सिक्योरिटी राइट है कि नहीं. दैट मीन्स ओनली टू वेरीफाई दैट वेदर यू हैव गिवन ट्रू आंसर इन योर इंटरव्यू और नॉट. तो वो वेरीफाई करने के लिए मेन द ऑफिशियल्स आर विजिटिंग दी साइट्स. And after visiting the sites, evaluation of loan request is being conducted by the bank. The final aspect of the lending procedure is the evaluation of the loan request before a decision is taken on whether or not to grant the request. चेक किया जाता है कि लोन पास करना है कि नहीं. In order to evaluate the loan request, these certain points are considered like financial statement and documentation. The financial statement and documentation needed for loan evaluation, then income statement of the business for some years, balance sheet of the business for some years, as well as board of directors resolving authorizing the loan with the bank. So before approving the loan, here certain points are considered. फाइनल करने के पहले ये सारे पॉइंट्स पहले कंसीडर करते हैं, फिर जाके लोन या तो एक्सेप्ट होता है या तो रिजेक्ट होता है. So let us brief again. Approaches to lending, that means bank is providing loan to the two side, that is to demand side and to supply side, for the economy needs of the money. Demand side, that means consumers of goods and services are included, who are mainly taking money to purchase home, to purchase land and building, or for their personal use they are taking the loan. If we talk about the supply side, then corporate and government sectors are there, who are mainly involved in manufacturing, trading and services, and they are taking loan mainly for to do the long term investment, as well as for their daily routine transaction they are taking the loans. Now before providing loans or before lending money, there are different steps which is to be considered first, then finally lending is approved to the consumer. So number one, under that, loan request from the customer. That is, first of all, people who require loan has to put loan request in front of the bank before going with the loan. A bank is considering certain points, like they are considering the performance of customers, size of the business, nature of the business, their market share, etc. They are considering all this point at the time of accepting the loan request. Number two is interview with the loan officer. As you have put it the loan request, interview with the loan officer is conducted, which is mainly conducted to know the customer's character, for planned utilization of the fund, actual amount which is required for the project, nature of the applicant business operation, etc. To only know all things personally, interview with the loan officer is conducted. Afterwards, to verify that whether the loan applicant have given right answer or not, site visit by the bank official is done to check that, or to verify or to assess personally the nature of customer's business, to determine the actual scale of the customer's operation, etc. Finally, evaluation of the loan request is being done to grant the request, and in that certain points are considered like financial statement, income statement, balance sheet, board of director resolution, etc. So before lending money, these steps are considered. So here we are concluding with the steps and approaches of lending. In the next video we will go with the next question. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.